Fuck. Fuck. Have I given one yet? Fuck. No. Shit. Yeah. Shit, it's the apocalypse, no opposites or hostages. I'll just drop a bitch, profit it, never call it quits, like an alcoholic bitch. Born in 9-2, been a problem since. You guys popping tags, while I've been copping bricks, smoked a lot of spliffs. What these obnoxious kids just gotta observe and know there ain't no topping this. Been quick to start a bar fight. We're a couple large guys like my boss for $8 an hour and some part-time. There's no time to relax, only time to relapse. Quitters go to rehab and my bitches need some knee pads. And these raps don't have to tell a story cause you won't get it. There's no gimmicks when I'm hungry shit, I'll eat a whole midget. The fact is that I'd probably rather buy some weed instead of listening to these whack rappers. Cause looking like the Mad Hatter, I don't know how they got far. Think they got bars but mental's what they all are. So I'll destroy them like a cop car. There's no nonsense. My time spent doing bullshit and making music was only progress. Diagnostics proofs I've been lost in my dreams, and it seems that I'm there pretty often. I'll be coughing in my coffin while I'm spewing up that raw shit. Shit, I'm flawless, bitch, I'm ballin' when I'm all in. What do we call him? A bastard cracker rapper taking acid shit to the walls shift. The backdrop changing, these bad cops races from the black top racing to the laptop making. On these tracks brought hatred, in fact call Satan, cause this last stop taken before the asphalt caves in on you lame kids. My cash got faces, just face it, me and Brooks gon' take this and nobody can say shit. Record hits at 2 AM, that's a grave shit. Posted on Van Owen, so victory I could taste this.
Check. Rachel, Sabrina, Jasmine, Cindy. Man, I'm getting lit tonight like tweeting from her kidneys. Brittany like the PP, I do a textbook like it's history. Shout out to Bernie Mac, it's 30,000 on the TV. I add a O, cause that's how much I'm chiefing on. Oh girl, don't smoke, close the door, bitch, the Lakers on. Who you know, trapping out the studio. 16s for 16s, pushing drugs and the flow. Girls be on my line like a tennis court, business sport. Yeah, I think we 500. Indy car racing, drive my stick into something with the Donald Trump hairpiece. 5-panel fair fleece, fly as hell, parakeet, turn down rare feet. Check. Cause we them fucking cool guys. Your girl texts me, she's trying to satisfy her appetite with Chris Brooks orphans. All in her organ, she suck it up and spit it out. Let me start forking. Ha, that's a daily fucking ritual. I get a call, she after those. I'm dressed like a physical. You hate me, but you feel me though. Your girl's in my video. Oh, Chris, there you go. Even my whack music sound great. I'm hot nigga, Chi-Town crime rate. Living large, these other niggas medium. Girls heard about my penis from here to Cleveland. Huh.